Hi guys, so today is Friday.
Yes, it is.
And Yoma and I just got some really exciting news that we can't share right now, but we're so excited, guys. We will tell you when the time is right. But oh my goodness, what is on my...
Oh wait, by the way, we are not pregnant.
No. Never. No.
Not that one.
Never, guys. Like, forget it for the next couple of years, guys. We're not even trying. I mean, not trying to. But anyway, we got really exciting news and we're just so happy. I don't know why my... Do you guys see this? What's here?
Hair?
No. It's like my... Like this part right here is paralyzed. Like not smiling correctly. But anyway, guys, so I'm so excited and I'm excited. Okay, bye guys. So I'm filming on my phone. It is officially moving day 1. About to start packing up the house. I have my bubble wrap over here. I have my boxes over here. So I'm gonna start packing up. My goal is to at least clear these 2 cupboards tonight, and I mean, we have like literally just over a week to be out of this place, out of this country, so it's a lot, but we're trying. So yeah, I'm about to get into that. Hey guys, welcome to moving vlog or moving day 2. So it is about, I think like 6 p.m. Don't mind me looking like Auntie Ratchet. I have a clay mask, Bentonite clay mask on my hair. Plan to cleanse my hair, wash it, stretch it, because I'm getting braids done over the weekend. But yeah, so I am trying to pack up the house, day 2. Yesterday, I'm going to show you guys what we did yesterday, because we didn't do too much yesterday. So yesterday we kind of cleared out this whole cabinet over here. Not that it was full or anything, but we cleared this out, and we have like 2 bowls left for like cereal in the morning, and then we have some paper plates. We also cleared out the bottom part of the shelf, which was like all like normal like wine glass or like stemless wine glasses and like just normal glasses. So now I'm gonna pack up these mugs over here, and then I still have to pack up those flutes and all those wine glasses. A lot of these wine glasses are actually these kind of glasses that you get when you go to like wine tastings and things. So I don't know what I'll do with that, but so I'm why are you out of focus? There we go. So now I'm trying to finish that up. That's my goal for today, is to clear out this cabinet completely, and then over there in that bottom drawer is all our pots, and like the top drawer is all like our Tupperware stuff. So I'm trying to clear those 2 out as well tonight. Very ambitious, but I feel like if I do that, then most of our stuff is packed and out of the way. I am busy watching Netflix, and I'm burning this really amazing candle, guys. It's called Champagne Toast. It's from Bath and Body Works, and I got it last year when I was in the States, and it smells divine. As you guys can see, I've pretty much burnt it all up. But yeah, so let's get this show on the road. Oh, one thing, you guys, tell me why we bought these flowers in Woolies on the 1st of July. It is the 1st of August, and this is what they look like. Witchcraft or plant food? I don't know, but it's dope. Definitely value for your money. I think they only started like dyeing or browning and stuff this week, so I think it's pretty cool. Oh, I've got clay all over me, but I'm gonna wash my hair out soon, so that's fine. Now I'm gonna pack, and yeah. it's a while later, and I finished out the first closet, breaking one of the champagne glasses in the process, but that's fine. They're really nice though. But anyway, so I'm done with that. I think we can still fit a few more boxes, a few more things in that box, but sorry guys, I've run out of bubble wrap, so I think I'm gonna move on to the Tupperware and the pots and stuff. I have to sort out what we're keeping out for the next few days. If we're gonna be cooking and stuff, I think we can do like with 2 pots, and then the rest I'm gonna try and pack up. But first, I'm gonna wash out the clay from my hair. I think it's been at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna wash out the clay, and then I'm gonna put in conditioner, put this back on, and then come back for this again. Hey guys, welcome back to, wait, no, not welcome, but today is our last day in this place. We are officially moving. We're officially moving, and this place is empty, so if you hear an echo, that is why. It's completely empty. Yom is seeing someone off, but I think I hear him coming up the stairs. This is so exciting. It took us so long to finish packing, and we're low-key not even done. We're low-key not even done. But we're leaving in a few hours. So all this stuff there is just stuff that we're throwing away, throwing out, or going to drop off at my parents' house because they are obligated to keep everything. So yeah, I thought I'd kind of just show you guys around, like empty apartments tour vibes. So when you walk in, this is what you see. So this is like the living space, and then over there is the kitchen, and then right here is this storage closet, right? So over here is like the living space. So this is where we had our couch and TV area, and then over there in the distance is the balcony, which is a pretty good size of a balcony. So over here was the living space, and then over here is the kitchen, which was also quite decently sized. It was quite large, lots of cabinet space. Like, loved how white it was and how it had all this like natural light coming through. So this is the kitchen, stove, and then like, so this was like the counter. Then over here, still in the kitchen, is another like shelving space. So that's actually leftover drinks that we have had in the house, and we need to give those away. And then this is like where the fridge was, and then up there is more space to store things. And then if you move this away, where there's a mop and a bucket, because I'm mopping, you will have the guest bathroom. Switch it on the light. So that's the guest bathroom, and that is me. Quite decent size, fairly large for a second bathroom. Over there, that's the bathroom. And then over here is the 1 bedroom, completely empty. This is the first bedroom. Closets over here, door, and it looks out onto the rest of the complex. And then if we come across this way is the bedroom, which looks a mess because we still have stuff in here, but this is the bedroom, which is always like, it always gets so much natural light, so it's always been very warm in here in the winter. So this is the closets, like, so 2 closets, and then over here is the ensuite bathroom. Ooh. So that is the bathroom with a shower. Over there, basin, you know, pretty standard. And there is the husband, not part of the apartment. He is not part of the apartment. So that was a faux apartment tour, guys. We're just packing everything up. Gonna do a final mop because I don't want to be that person that doesn't leave the apartment clean, because it always irks me. when it happens to me, when we move into a place. So I'm about to do a final floor thing. Ooh, I see Valeria coming right through. Did you open?
No.
I see Valeria. Oh, I closed in my bed. So yeah, guys, I'll catch up with you guys very soon.